Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another episode of Projects with Chaz. How the freak am I going to do that? Today we are going to replace these, whatever the hell you call these, whatever they are, to lift the hatch up and down. They are completely shot, and in cold weather this just falls on my head and about knocks me out. So I have my hockey stick up here holding this up. It's kind of nice out today, so I'm going to replace them with the new ones I bought. These are from O'Reilly Auto Parts. I think they're like 20 some bucks a piece. And I think all you're gonna need is a screwdriver. So let's get at it. So this is a project on a 2017 Volkswagen All-Track Golf Wagon, but it would probably work on a Subaru or anything that has a hatch. You just need to make sure you order the right ones. This is what I ordered for the Volkswagen. And before you attempt the project, you want to make sure they match up, and these are almost identical. So first thing you do is just stick a screwdriver right in that little slot and get that thing off, and then do it at the bottom. Okay, because these things are like spring loaded, I had to have the hatch almost shut, so this was like pretty much collapsed. And then I just put a pair of pliers around it. After it was almost shut, the door, and then just wiggled it off. And this top part you just pop off. So that's one, but this door is super heavy. So I didn't want to break my hockey stick, so brace it up with a piece of wood or maybe a rake handle, something, because you don't want this like cutting your fingers off, and then you'll be called nubs for the rest of your life. So I'm going to work on this second one, and then I'll show you how they go back in. So I got the second one off. I have the hatch propped up, but just to let you know, when the hatch is down to where this is kind of even to where you can just kind of roll it off, just grip it with some pliers and just twist, and it'll just pop right off of that nub. So you want to make sure that you're getting the right size. You can't just go buy these. It's not one size fits all. These were made in Mexico, so at least it wasn't China. And the new ones come with their own brand new clips. So the clips you just pried off, you might have mangled them. You want to use the new clips that come with it. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but the clip, you can just kind of take a screwdriver and slide it up. Make sure you have a clean access to that hole. And then once you get this over the nub, you can just kind of slide that down and it should click into place. Let's try it. So I know this goes here. So it's on. Shit. There. It just kind of slid down and clicked in place. I can't pull that off. Another thing you might run into, the hole, after I have that side on, the hole is over here. So you can just put a pair of pliers on this and twist it around until it rotates to where you need it. Okay, there's the hole. That's the nub, but I need to use two hands. Okay, I got that top one. Actually, I had to lift the hatch all the way up because the piston is already kind of fully extended, or almost. You just gotta line it up to where it meets the nub and then push it on, and then make sure that clip is locked in. Now, there's not enough juice from this one piston to hold the hatch up, so I gotta put my wood back up and then start on the second one. All right, give it a nice thwack, and then just slide this thing down until you hear it click. That's in. Boom. All right, kids, if this project helped you out, please like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna crack a beer and celebrate that the hatch didn't crush my skull and my huge brain. If you like this, stay tuned. I'll have more crazy videos coming up. Thanks.